All right, in order to use the L3, we need to remove the payload adapter that's made for the L2 and P1, and so all the previous generation of payloads. To do so, first disconnect the USB-C, as you see here, it's held by two screws. You should have two screwdrivers in your kit, one for the X key and one for the star shape. Star shape is for the USB-C. With the X key screwdriver, now I'm going to remove those four screws that holds it. So we got two at the bottom and two at the front of the drone. There are some Loctites on the screw, and in your kit you have new screw provide with Loctite. So if you don't intend on flying other payload, if you're only going to be flying the L3 from now on, then you should insert the new screw with Loctites already on them. That will make it more secure. In this case, since we're going back and forth between P1, L3, and other sensor, I'm just going to put the same screw back in. So pretty easy task. You will see now I could remove this payload adapter here, and I will take the next generation. Next generation is a lot bigger. It's got the rail system for the L3, so really necessary to install this one. Again, same principle, four screws, and as well as two for the USB-C. It could be connected on either one of the ports. In this case, it was connected on port number 2. Usually it's set on port number 1 from the get-go. So I'm just going to get this going and screw it back on. Just make sure it's nice and secure. The L3 is actually a lot heavier than the previous generation of LiDAR, so it's got to be nice and secure. We have some of those dampener also, like in the spare parts, if you ever need to change them, we have those also coming with the L3. So in your kit, you should have everything needed in order to do this quick change. I'm just going to tighten it everywhere, make sure it's all good. Change screwdriver and take the other one provided. Connect the USB-C cable to the port. Just make sure it's all the way in, and then you could secure the two screws so it won't get disconnected during the flight with the vibration. And that's it. So for the payload adapter, this is the main part. The caps, for those who knows me, I'm going to throw this in the garbage and making sure my connectors stay nice and straight. Now we're going to get on to the L3 itself. We have two cards that are provided with the payload. They are 1 terabyte each. They call CF Express card type B. So two of them are provided. I'll just insert a new card inside my payload by the back door trap here. Make sure it's all the way in. And that's it. We're good to go and ready to operate the L3.